Hi Taurus, welcome to your daily guidance reading. One sec. Here at Chelsea Love Tarot. Sorry, I was multitasking a little bit. Today is the 10th of June, 2020. But if you stumble upon this video by chance and you resonated with the reading, this could also be a message the universe wants you to receive. So it really doesn't matter when this video was made or released. And also, Taurus, I would really like to thank you for subscribing to my channel as I'm growing it, and I really appreciate your love and support, Taurus. Okay, let's get to your reading. Spirits and angels, please show me some guidance and advice for Taurus for today, 10th of June, 2020. Whoa. I will take this, and I will take this, and this as well. Okay. Please show me more. Guidance and advice for Taurus for today, 10th of June, 2020. This wants to come out. Sorry, it seems a little bit dark because I have my window, my curtains open, so the camera starts to adjust by itself and it looks dark, but it's okay as long as you can hear me. Alright, Taurus, so Chariot card, Spirit is saying take charge. You know, you can go anywhere you want to go, actually. You can go anywhere you want to go if you want to, because the Chariot is in charge. Okay, these two Sphinx will want to go either way, left or right, the opposite ways, because they are both black and white, they are both opposites. But, you know, but the Chariot, this lady is just like, nope. I'm going to rein both of you in and you're going to go to wherever I want you guys to take me to. It's also transportation. It's forward movement. So I feel like Spirit is trying to say that, you know, take charge, move forward, okay? You are in power here. You have the power to do so. You may or may not realize it right now. And also anything that you have been putting a lot of your effort into and you haven't really seen any results, you start to see it come to fruition. And also 10 of Cups, look, you will be very happy. I feel like possibly you're not feeling this way. You're sort of getting over maybe a third party situation because there is a 3 of Cups in reverse here, and also 10 of Swords is in reverse. So you know, you probably were going through some heartbreak, betrayal, and just being really down, okay? You just don't feel like it's, you know, 10 of Swords, it's always like this, you were at your lowest point basically. But I feel like Spirit is trying to tell you that some positivity will come your way. Look at the 10 of Cups here, you know, you are going to be in charge soon, and then you're going to focus on yourself, on your money, on making everything else around you beautiful and comfortable, you know. And you could possibly be ending your singlehood, you know. If you have been single for a while, this is for the singles, you know. You would end the singlehood, you know, by focusing on yourself first, loving yourself first. You could have possibly been through some sort of you know, third-party situation, heartbreak, betrayal, pain, and but Spirit is saying that you will finally figure out what to do. You will finally figure out what to do. You're no longer in this 2 of Pentacles in reverse. You know, you are no more going to be juggling, and you're going to figure things out, and you're going to make a choice here, okay? Although you have been feeling very restless, or somebody you've been connecting with could have been juggling 2-person, and also the Page of Wands is in reverse. I feel like you're not accepting some sort of an offer of who have wronged you here. You're not actually taking them back if they're trying to come back to you. I feel like, or reconcile, I think you're not going to take it. And Spirit is saying that it's the right thing to do, okay? And you're very restless. You're sort of losing sleep over all of these. This is, I feel like, could be a past energy, or it could still be going on right now. But Spirit is trying to tell you that in you know, there are a lot of positivities coming to you, you know, in the horizon, as long as you focus on yourself first, building yourself, and take charge of your life. Even if you have to do it alone for now and be single for now, it's okay. There will be an end of a singlehood, you know, because Nine of Pentacles is in reverse. But Nine of Pentacles in reverse could also mean, to me, sometimes codependency, not being able to love yourself. But I'm not reading it that way though, Taurus. I see it more like, so like ending the singlehood. This is just what I'm sensing, okay? And the World card is in reverse. Maybe you feel like this has been going on and on. You've been going through this whole heartbreak or pain for a long time, or maybe the same cycle over and over again. Could have been with the same person or with different relationships. Like you feel like, why does it always end like that? You know, if you have been going through many different relationships but with the same results or with the same kind of people, because, you know, sometimes people say that you attract what you think you deserve, you know, because sometimes also, most times, we have some inner insecurities or stemming from trauma, from past trauma, childhood trauma, or, you know, your parents, if your parents are divorced, or things you have seen, or things you have been exposed to, or things you have experienced yourself, you know. So I feel like everybody is basically broken goods. We are all broken in some way, shape, or form, okay? It just depends how severe or what. And but this is why we are all here to sort of learn, you know. Sometimes we really have to go through this until the universe and spirit says, okay, I think you're ready now. Maybe before that they didn't think you were ready, you know. Energetically, we have to kind of match with the other person so that it is compatible, so that it has a long-term what do you call that, longevity to any relationship. This could be a relationship situation, this could be family, friends. Just take it how you resonate with it. You can apply to it accordingly. And so I also see the Six of Pentacles, it's in reverse here. So someone, you could have been in a relationship that was not, or a friendship or family situation that, you know, wasn't an equal give and take, okay? Could also mean that somebody was, you know, giving to another person, because yeah, I don't want to read third party all the time, but it keeps appearing, so I'm just gonna read what I'm seeing here. So a form of betrayal and all that, but I also feel like it has ended, okay? It has ended. And also you're feeling really restless. You're unsure about why does this keep happening to me, or that, you know, why did this happen to me? Because the World card is in reverse. You feel like you're stuck in this energy, in this negativity, or in this you know, repetition somehow. So whatever you're waiting for, you know, the ship will be coming in soon. This card could also mean third party situation. It could also mean, you know, just not dealing with anything anymore that doesn't serve you here, okay? Because this 3 and 3, yeah, and the Six of Pentacles, obviously it's quite obvious that, you know, there was a third party situation, or it could just be like meddling friends or family or external factors that have caused a breakup or an ending here, okay? So I feel like Taurus, Spirit is trying to say that, you know, look, you have your Ten of Cups waiting for you, as long as you move forward and don't look back. Don't look back. Turn your back to anything that doesn't serve you anymore. And you know, it is actually the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Somehow I feel like it is safe to put your guards down. It is safe to express how you feel, you know. It's okay now, you know. You can put your guard down, although this is to me a cautious card, because you have been possibly wounded before in the past by a certain someone, okay? Possibly be the Emperor here, and Aries. I see many signs here. Fire, there's Libra, but it doesn't really matter, okay? And there was an ending. So Taurus, This is the message for you, but I feel like most importantly, the general message for you today is to just focus on making your money, okay? Making your money, taking care of yourself, making everything around you beautiful, making yourself beautiful. Put yourself as a priority, you know, seek for something or build something where you can be like grounded, something that is solid, that has a future, okay? And anything else that you see does not serve you anymore, turn your back on them. There is really no point of putting you through this cycle over and over again with the world card in reverse, feeling stuck. So let's turn it back to its original position, meaning leaving behind old cycle that you had to go through with all the pain. And you know, but this is part of life, you know, we all go through all of them, none of us is immune to it, but you do have the power, you do have a choice to either end the cycle and start a new one or be stuck in it. Okay, Taurus, this is your message for today, 10th of June 2020, your guidance, your daily guidance reading. I also do private reading. My number is in the description box below. You can WhatsApp me for more details, and I'll send you the detail. I'll reply you. And also I'll be posting your videos every single day. So I hope to see you tomorrow, Taurus. Take care. Bye.